Keep first things first. What is the supreme priority of your life? Jesus said, "Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you." Seek the kingdom of God above all else, not after everything else, not in addition to everything else, but above all as the number one priority in our life. Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. The Lord promised, all these things shall be added to you. Seek the authority and rule of God and his kingdom standards as the supreme priority of your life. Out of all the options we have, out of all the things we can seek and be occupied with, the Lord expects his kingdom citizens to seek first the things of the one to whom we belong and where we belong, that is the kingdom of God. This is the Christian's priority of priorities. God's kingdom is his sovereign rule, and therefore to seek first his kingdom is to seek first his rule, his authority, and his will for our life. Jesus' command to seek first his kingdom is coupled with a beautiful promise that all the basic things needed for our daily sustenance and physical welfare shall be added to you by divine providence, and as a father, the Lord would take care of us. To worry about our physical welfare is the mark of a worldly mind. The cause of worry is seeking the things of the world, and the cause of contentment is seeking the things of God's kingdom and his righteous standards, his righteousness in our life. Our temptations are the urge to put the physical and material above the spiritual priorities in our life. When we crave like the world, we worry like the world. Let us keep our priorities in order and keep first things first. In all things, Jesus might have the preeminence. Colossians 1:18.